What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. See from the title, we're going to be working on the Supra today. Still working on a few bugs for the purple nurple here. I did get a couple of the steam vents were loose, got those tightened up. I'll finish up the water setup for the intercooler, and then we'll do some driving on that, so hopefully next week or something like that. But we're going to get into the Supra. She's hanging over there, super dirty. But yeah, let's go ahead and open up this HKS exhaust that we got for it. All right, we got a box from HKS here, so let's go ahead and take a look, see what we got inside. That's a genuine Japanese writing on there. Dang, look at that. Take a look at this thing. Genuine HKS exhaust for the Supra. Super excited. This was was actually a scratch and dent, so you can kind of see all the scratches on it, but you're never going to see this, and you're only going to see the tip, which only has like a few little nicks. But for, I think it was like a quarter of the price, I'm very happy with that. It also comes with this piece that goes up to your cap. And this piece, yeah, it's got some dings and dents, but you'll never see any of this, so that's all good with me. Did come with some gaskets, which is cool, a little sticker. That's all cool. And that's just a piece of cardboard. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw this on the car. All right, guys, so this is what the Supra exhaust looks like currently. I'm not exactly sure even what this is, but I don't like the look of it. I don't know if this is stock or not. Somebody comment whether or not that's stock. I think that there is a slight muffler delete or something on it, but we'll get a sound clip in a minute. If we can zoom into there. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what that one is, but we're gonna replace all of that with the new HKS exhaust. So. Real quick what it looks like under here. Basically that back part looks kind of like a fence post with not the best welds right there, but I'm pretty sure we come all the way up to that flange there, so the all new all the way back. All right, so it looks as though I need a mid pipe for this, since they welded on that one and cut off the flange, so I won't be able to bolt this to it. So I guess we're gonna have to find a mid pipe. So this just got a little more expensive than the good deal I got on this. So off to find a mid pipe, and then we'll see whenever that comes in. All right, guys, so we are back a few days later, and we finally got the missing piece here. All right, so here's our mid pipe we got from Black Lotus Performance. So shout out to them for getting this done super quick. This thing is really nice, beautiful welds. You can get it, I believe, whether you want V-band clamps, if you want O2 sensors and stuff, he'll do that for you. So make sure you guys check him out, and we're gonna get the Supra back out here and hopefully get this thing bolted on. Should have everything. I say should, but probably be missing something else. All right, guys, so we're gonna get this exhaust pulled off here. Wait till you guys see the look of this thing, so let's pull it off. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Look at that, the welds. This thing's hilarious. Literally looks like a fence post, right? I mean, obviously it was done at a muffler shop, but Definitely not the best, but hey, all good. Get this thing replaced with everything we got sitting over here. So it's going to be interesting getting this front one in because there's like kind of a bracket in the way. We'll see how that works. But basically we're going to get all of this put in nice and loosely with the gaskets in, and then we'll come through and tighten everything up. So back to the time lapse. Quick comparison, look at the size of that and that. So I think this is like a 3-inch and that's probably like 2-inch. So it's gonna look a lot better. So it got a little dark on me, but it looks like the rear exhaust hanger up here was removed from the car or whatever was different. It had this homemade bracket here that did not work correctly with it. So I made a quick little flat bracket up here, hooks onto this. I'll have to get a rubber piece to fit in here so that this doesn't rattle. Seems like it fits pretty decent. Could be a little bit higher, but I think once we add the rubber in there, it'll put us right to the right spot, give us a little bit of room there for shooting fireballs. So now I gotta go through the rest and tighten everything up, and then we'll get a start. Got dark on me, but hey, it is what it is. So let's get everything tightened up. So that is how a Supra is supposed to look. Big old cannon on the back as I trip over the old ouch. All right, so let's get a start up and just see if this sounds any different. It might not be. I guess we'll see. Hopefully it starts because I'm having problems with the battery on this thing. So. About the same, no difference, which I didn't expect much since basically we just made it from 2 to 3 inch, but we'll get a little rev. If I'm going to say, I'll have to listen to the clip back again, but I would say it sounds a little bit more crisp, maybe because it wasn't rattling and not such a piece of crap. I don't know. I think it just sounds a little more solid now, but the real differences will come once we get the front part to the turbo bolted on. So this exhaust system that we put on here will bolt up right to the set of headers that I got, which you'll have to wait and see. Once we get a couple more things, this thing will get turboed. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Got the HKS exhaust installed on there. Had a couple hiccups with the mid pipe and the actual bracket in the rear, but I'm able to make it work. I think I'm going to add a slight rubber gasket on there just to keep it, but it seems like it's not rattling much at all, but I think we'll probably go ahead and add that. If you guys do need a mid pipe, make sure you check out Black Lotus Performance. Guy was super quick, got it out to me. I think he stayed up super late to make sure he got it done, so shout out to him, appreciate that. And next one will be back on the purple car, doing a first drive on that one. So I got this thing just about finished up, and the next nice day we'll get out here
and take this thing for a rip. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys will stick around for the next one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.